Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association (IPGA) was established in the year 1973. It is affiliated to Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association (IBCA) and is registered as the society under the Registration of Societies Act 1960. Income tax exemption under Section 80G(5) of Income Tax Act 1961.
IPGA is one of the federating association of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association, along with other 4 associations like Indian Pharmaceutical Association, All India Drug Control Officers Confederation, Indian Hospital Pharmacists Association, and Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India.
The Indian Pharmacy Graduate Association was started way back in the year 1973 at All India Institute of Medical Sciences when the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress was held.
Its registered office is at Meera Bagh, New Delhi. IPGA is a charitable trust with the exemption in 80G of Income Tax Act towards any donation.
When I joined IPGA around 20 years back, when I was working with AICTE, I updated the accounts, bring the transparency in accounts, leading to making IPGA a charitable organization exempted under Section 80G of Income Tax Act.
Its mission is to improve the professional status of pharmacy graduates and to secure their rightful positions in the pharmacy and other allied professions.
IPGA is working with a mission to improve the professional status of pharmacy graduates and to secure their rightful position in pharmacy profession and allied professions. The main mission of the IPGA is achieved by creating more posts in different fields like in pharmaceutical industry, in research and development, in hospital, community and clinical pharmacy, in drug control department, quality control and quality assurance.
And the vision is quality pharmacy professionals delivering pharmaceutical services for the global healthcare system.
Our aim was that the interest of the other professional bodies are being looked after, but the interest of the pharmacy graduates are not looked after. Hence, we have to create the body where the interest of the pharmacy graduate associations are being looked after.
I was very much actively involved in the formation and so many activities of IPGA. In fact, IPGA has grown in leaps and bounds for the past so many years. And the role of pharmacist is well established, but perception in the mind of the people is just pharmacist is a drug seller. However, our role in the community is much enhanced.
They have achieved different achievements such as foundation of IPGA Welfare Trust.
The biggest achievement of the IPGA is we have founded IPGA Welfare Trust, which is helping the poor students who are pursuing the pharmacy course as a career and not able to pay their entire fees.
We at IPGA are working very hard through our various activities which are community driven.
Welfare Trust is giving scholarships to poor students. Welfare Trust is giving grants for conduct of seminar, conferences, etc.
We have recently constituted IPGA Student Forum, which is organizing the different seminars at different areas to educate the consumers, to educate the public what they have to do and what they have not to do, particularly issues related to their health.
Through our student forum, we have also conducted outreach activity in the various localities where public was addressed on what is the importance of taking medicine on bills, even how and when to take our medicines.
They have regular quarterly publication of IPGA Today. They have conducted 60th IPC at New Delhi 2008.
IPGA has been approved by the Pharmacy Council of India to conduct refresher courses for registered pharmacists, and the association is conducting these courses in coordination with community pharmacist associations.
They have instituted IPGA Fellowship Award, instituted IPGA GPAT Toppers Award, KC Chatterjee Memorial Award in IPC every year. IPGA has different achievements too, such as it has more than 5,000 graduates life member, more than 20 state branches in the country.
In India, we have 18 branches and 9 chapters, and very soon we will have branch in each state of India, that is 29, and 7 union territories.
Active participation in all India Pharmaceutical Congress events and conferences are being held here, such as January 2012, 27th Annual Convention of Indian Pharmacy Graduates Association.
We have conducted several conferences, but 3 major IPCs, that is IPC in 2001 at IARI Pusa, second IPC in 2008 at NSIT Dwarka, third IPC in 2013 at MIT University.
The big challenge which the community is facing as on date is the lifestyle disease and antimicrobial resistance and drug addiction. IPGA, in association with different NGOs and consumer association, is organizing all over the country different seminars on the prevention of drug addiction and other related issues.
One of the most progressive and transparent association.
I have seen IPGA growing number of years. The amount of professionalism, the amount of efficiency, the amount of transparency. See, these are 3 strong parameters and elements which can really make an organization a great success. These are the factors that I can with authority say that IPGA is one such organization. Although I represent more than 10 pharmaceutical associations in various capacities in the country, but IPGA working has been with a Samarpan Bhav, means they surrender for the upliftment of the pharmacy community.
Today, IPGA is a pioneering association of the country looking after the professional aspects of the pharmacist.